Hello, so my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today we're going to be talking about, why coaches have trouble helping people online. Okay, so this is really for coaches who have an existing client base in person or maybe in their local community, but for whatever reason, they're having a lot of trouble to be able to actually get clients online, okay, and actually help people. So I'm talk about three different reasons why you're having trouble helping more people online. So the first reason why most people have trouble online is because we have trouble connecting just like how we do in person. So in person you might be able to create a safe space. You might be able to be vulnerable when you're talking to them and sharing your stories and examples in real life. You might be able to create a sense of community within your local area. However, online, that's one thing where a lot of coaches, including myself in the early days, struggled at doing. Okay? So let me give you a great example of this. So when, for example, let's give a good one. So let's say that in your local area, you started a book club, right? And every single day or every single week, you have a set time and a set place where you and your friends can come and interact with each other in that book club. Over time, you're going to learn more about each other. You're going to create relationships, have conversations, create inside jokes, and it's going to feel like a very safe, tight-knit community. But online, a lot of people struggle to do that. They don't put out videos regularly. They don't have a group. They don't have any consistency with the people who actually watch their videos. Their messages all over the place. Their wants and desires that they talk about in the videos are non-consistent, and people don't know how to, what to expect from that person. In order to kind of create a community online, you need to have consistency. Whether that's a consistent type of video, whether it's a consistent type of time of day that you release, time of week that you release a video, or even just a set of rules that you have for your community that allow them to, know what to expect when it comes to dealing with you, you're going to start to be able to connect with people a lot easier online. The second thing, okay, so not speaking to what people actually want. So if you want to be able to help more people online, you need to understand what people want and what their actual desires are, and actually talk about ways that they can get closer to that wants and desires. Some people call it their desired outcome is what we're trying to get them to in our coaching journey. So you start doing that in advance in either your videos or in your messaging to help people start to get more of what they want. I'm actually going to have a PDF/document to help you guys understand what your market's wants and desires are, so you can actually do that for yourself to get some structure in your journey to help you create better videos. Okay? Number 3, you don't know how to create conversations. Okay? So for a lot of the coaches who struggle to help people online, it's because we don't really understand how to create relationships. Okay? And the basis of relationships and the basis of friendship is conversations. That's what all social media is brought about. The conversation. You ever hear Facebook, they say, why don't you join in on the conversation? Why don't you see what everybody's talking about? Here's a notification. Join this group so you can hear what they're talking about. Okay? If you don't, or if we struggle to create conversations, we're going to not be able to actually get people to listen to us long enough for us to be able to help them, right? Say, for example, you're very good at coaching. You know exactly 3 or 4 steps to get someone from where they are today to where they want to go. If you do an hour-long video, most people probably will not, watch till the end of the video and won't be able to get the full health or the full benefit that video was intended, right? But instead, if you were able to break it up into bite-sized chunks, understand exactly what they want, and then get them to watch each chunk one at a time in the correct order, now you can start to help people. But you have to be able to create a conversation that they actually care about. In order to do that, you have to actually know what they want and what they desire. And then even before that, you have to understand how to create communities that people will actually be a part of and rules that they can follow in order to understand the structure that they need to interact with you on a consistent basis. Okay? So if you want to help more people, I recommend that you take the next step, which is to go join my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Inside, we're going to be giving you guys webinars and strategies for you to be able to help more people out. This is for people who are great at what they do, whether they're a coach, a motivational speaker, a therapist, an entrepreneur who is great at what they do, but they're just having a little bit of trouble being able to connect with people and actually get people to take the next step to hop on a consultation call and even sign up to work with them. Okay, if that's you, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.